Fixing your slab foundation in Houston's clay soil can seriously save your home's future, so you gotta get it right from the jump. Alright, here's the deal. First off, keep watering your foundation regularly because that clay soil loves to expand and contract with moisture changes, which messes up your slab big time. Next, don't skip on landscaping around the house to help manage water flow away from your foundation plants, and proper grading can work wonders. When it comes to hiring pros, always check reviews and get multiple quotes, but remember, cheapest isn't always best. If you gotta pick two companies, make sure they communicate well, because coordinating inner and outer pier work is tricky. Make sure they do a thorough inspection before starting, especially since your sheetrock is already cracked. This helps them plan the right adjustments. Ask if they use hydraulic piers and how long their warranty lasts, since those things matter for long-term stability. Stay involved during the job, ask questions, and watch out for any signs of uneven lifting. After the work, keep monitoring your foundation for new cracks or shifts so you catch problems early. One of the biggest mistakes people make with slab foundation repair is using multiple contractors who don't coordinate, causing uneven lifting and more damage. Fix this by having clear communication or just one company handle all piers. Another common issue is ignoring proper watering and landscaping around the foundation, which leads to more shifting over time. Keep that soil moist but not soggy, and maintain good drainage. Lastly, rushing into repairs without a structural engineer's advice can cost you later because you might miss important structural risks. Always invest in a professional inspection to guide the repairs safely. BigHomeProjects.com makes it super easy for homeowners to find trustworthy local contractors who specialize in foundation repair, so you don't have to stress about who to hire. Plus, it helps contractors connect with clients looking for exactly their skills, making it a win-win for everyone fixing up homes.